this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and in this video I'll compare two smartphones, Lee Eco Lee 1S and Honor 5X. In this video I'll compare these two smartphones on the basis of their design, specifications, features, gaming and benchmarks. And I'll also help you decide which one you should buy. So without much ado, let's get started. Both these smartphones have unibody metal design which looks very premium in hand. The Honor 5X has brushed metal design on the rear which is slightly curved towards the edges. The Lee 1S has similar design but it has matte finish. The Lee 1S is a bit heavier with 169 grams of weight compared to 158 grams weight of Honor 5X. On the front, both phones have a 5.5-inch Full HD display, but the display of Lee 1S is nearly bezel-less. Lee 1S has 3 touch capacitive buttons which are backlit and are part of bottom bezel of the phone. It also comes with LED notification above the display and Type-C port on the bottom edge. Honor 5X on the other hand comes with on-screen buttons and micro USB charging port. It also has an LED notification above the display. So there's no clear winner in this department. Both phones have very premium looks. So if you're looking for a phone which has brushed metal finish and micro USB charging port, then you can go for Honor 5X. But if you're looking for a phone which has matte finish design and comes with a USB Type-C charging port, then you can go for Lee Eco Lee 1S. Next thing we'll talk about is the display. Both phones come with a 5.5-inch Full HD display with 1080p resolution. They're very sharp, bright and vivid, with good viewing angles and good sunlight legibility. The Lee 1S comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection and is more vibrant. So Lee 1S is slightly more superior as it is more vibrant and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection which the Honor 5X lacks. Next thing I'll talk about is sound and call clarity. The call clarity and signal reception is equally good on both smartphones. And we also found that sound on both speaker and headphones is better on Honor 5X. Here is a sample audio test of both these phones. Next thing I'll talk about is fingerprint sensor. Both these phones come with a fingerprint sensor on the rear for additional security. Fingerprint scanners of both phones are very fast, support 360-degree recognition and allow users to add multiple fingerprints. So again, there is no clear winner in this department. Both phones have very fast and accurate fingerprint sensors on the rear. Now I'll talk about the performance of these phones. The Huawei Honor 5X is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 616 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM. The Lee Eco Lee 1S on the other hand uses an octa-core MediaTek Helio X10 processor paired with 3 GB of RAM. Both phones handle multitasking with ease. On testing the phones on Antutu benchmarks, we got a score of around 55,000 points for Lee 1S and 36,000 points for Honor 5X. We also played some games like Frontline Commando 2 on both phones and found out that Honor 5X showed some minor lags and stutters here and there, but there was no noticeable heating. Lee 1S on the other hand played the game seamlessly, but it did get heated up a bit. So in this department, Lee 1S takes our vote as it offers seamless multitasking and gaming performance due to an additional gigabyte of RAM. Now I'll talk about the camera of these phones. Both these phones have a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. The Honor 5X comes with a dual LED flash with primary camera and Lee 1S comes with single LED flash. The Lee 1S also supports 4K video recording. Both phones have different modes and filters and are capable of taking stunning shots with both front and rear cameras in natural, artificial as well as low light. We found that the images taken with Honor 5X have better clarity and detailing. So in this section, Honor 5X outperforms the Lee 1S. Next thing I'll talk about is the storage of these phones. The Honor 5X comes with 16 GB of internal memory which is expandable up to 128 GB using micro SD card. The Lee 1S has 32 GB of internal memory on board but lacks micro SD card support. Honor 5X comes with less inbuilt storage but it gives you freedom to add more storage. Now I'll talk about the battery of these phones. Both phones are powered by a 3000 mAh battery which is good enough to survive for up to 1 day on moderate usage. The battery of both these phones are non-removable. The Honor 5X supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0 which can charge the battery from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Lee 1S on the other hand is claimed to deliver up to 3.5 hours of talk time with just 5 minutes of charging. So we are quite impressed with the Lee 1S in battery department as it comes with a fast charger, but for Honor 5X you'll have to buy a fast charger separately. Now I'll talk about the software of these phones. Both phones run Android Lollipop wrapped under their custom UIs. The Lee 1S runs Android Lollipop with EUI 5.5, while Honor 5X runs Android Lollipop with EMUI 3.1. Both are heavily skinned UIs with a lot of customization options. They allow you to change themes, icons, and do more. Both phones support USB OTG, but for Lee 1S, you'll need Type-C USB pen drive or Type-C OTG cable or adapter. So if you're looking for stock Android experience, then you may find these phones very disappointing. But if you're a fan of customization, then you can go for either of these phones. Now I'll talk about the price of these phones. The Lee 1S is priced at Rs 10,999 and is available through flash sales. The Honor 5X is priced at Rs 12,999 and can be purchased through open sale. So both these phones have a lot of similarities. Both of these phones look very premium in hand and have powerful innards. If you're looking for a phone that is cheaper in price, has an additional gigabyte of RAM, more inbuilt storage and vibrant display, then you should go for Lee 1S. And if you're looking for a phone which has nice camera combination and great sound, then you should go for Honor 5X. If you want to buy these phones, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.